This video will cover the deployment of Magento 2.4.4 P2 open source, and the configuration of an AMI stack StarFlare module for catalog search. We will first select a Magento open source with our AMI stacks S3 Titanium option pack. This video is intended for expert-level Magento and Linux admins and developers. During the CloudFormation deployment, we will change the default catalog search engine to StarFlare. Deployment discussion is abbreviated as our focus is on the catalog search module. Ask all questions prior to deployment. Module configuration information can be found in your stacks documentation, our bot, and on the main site. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website. After deployment, we will access the Magento admin console and enable StarFlare's autocomplete for testing. StarFlare has been tested with success on very large catalogs and very high-volume websites. It is an amazing achievement for a lightweight, high-performance catalog engine that is not prone to crashing. Combined with Ramjet FPC Booster and S3R Alpha for media, you can make Magento open source fly.